Lawyer or solicitor.
Neurosurgeon.
Mechanical engineer.
I don't know.
I think I want to do something to do with talking and interacting with people.
Michelle Obama.
My mum.
Dr. Maggie that came into our school once.
To say my mother.
My mum inspires me, and also people like Maya Angelou.
Build stuff, design stuff. Don't know.
Person that fixed something, and they basically try to set some things right. So if something's wrong with like lighting, engineers are quite important, because I feel as if we didn't have engineers, we wouldn't have most of the technology that we do have today.
Create new technology to help the world.
I don't know, no, I've got very vague ideas, but I'm not sure.
Build and make stuff, and just stuff to do with science and maths.
No.
I haven't up until we did that Crossrail debate.
Mechanical or, I think, chemical engineering?
No.
Not really.
I think they feel that it's engineering, especially in construction, is a job for men. That's not particularly true, and I think that if women or girls enjoy that, then they should take that up.
The stigma behind engineering is that it's mostly a male job, because you know, the man in the family is like the fix-it guy. You know, I'll go to my brother, you need to fix my light bulb, you know, rather than going to my sister.
I think most people have this kind of like perceived mindset that engineering is just like buildings and train tracks, and they don't really get to see the fun side of it.
Except for our school, I don't think many people learn a lot about engineering at school, or like go on trips like we did about STEM trips, about science and maths.
Organisations like Crossrail and even the government should promote women to be in engineering and construction, and you know, spread the word.
I think people run away from it because it's more like, oh my god, it's so complicated, I can't fix all these wires and stuff. So I tried to like do a bit of fun workshops with fixing some easy engineering projects, and that'd be really fun for females, and just make them aware that actually it isn't a male's job. Females can go in to do it as well, and it's actually quite fun.
I think you need to start it from an early age. So like from like kids are little, like instead of like Bob the Builder, there's no really women builders or engineers in books like that. So maybe if you start them from their little, they would see that.
I think I'd have like female speakers who are engineers come to schools and just like show them what the difference they can make and what they could do.